Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I thought we'd talk a little bit about tracking and what it actually does, but not tracking on the internet. Tracking when your smartphone or any device that you have with you that has Wi-Fi, when you're traveling around town, when you're traveling in different areas, how can your phone, not connected officially to any public networks, be tracked, and why do they do it? And here's the thing. So, when you use your smartphone and do not connect to any Wi-Fi, you are still sending out signals. As long as your Wi-Fi switch is on, as long as you have not shut down the Wi-Fi from the phone, your phone is sending out radio signals. Why? Because what happens is that your phone is trying to see what's around you that it can connect to. So basically, what it'll want to do is to see all the Wi-Fi that networks that are available. And so why do they do that? Well, first of all, it's an advantage for you to have the availability of all the networks around you. What happens is that it makes it convenient for you. If you are looking to connect to a Wi-Fi, a mobile Wi-Fi or a public Wi-Fi, it's easy. You got the list there, you click on the one you want, and you connect to it. So that's why your Wi-Fi adapter is always looking around, always asking everything that it adds, actually every router, every signal encounter is going to ask, can I connect to you? And how, are you secured or not? And so on. That way of asking, what it does is it leaves traces behind, first of all. So I was saying in the video previously about how your hardware address can be actually given in the exchange. It seems, not important, but it's, first of all, one way of all the big public Wi-Fi out there to synchronize and kind of know what you're doing, where you're going. And you wonder why? Well, some of these will actually sell that data to the companies that are around the area you are actually going through. Why? Because it's an easy way for them to give you an advertisement that will actually lure you into going somewhere. So, for example, if you're not connected to any Wi-Fi, but you are going downtown a city, don't be surprised that if you actually connect even to your own cell connectivity, even your cell provider, that you might have an ad for a restaurant that is, close to you. It's not just through the fact that it can track you with a GPS and things like that. It also is the fact that one of the ways that they actually find that is, you're near that Wi-Fi spot, and just next to it, there's a pizza place, and you might be hungry. Or just next to it, there's that clothes store. Maybe you need, a new pair of jeans or whatever, and you're looking for something. So it's very, it's something that doesn't look like that crazy, but it's actually something that's being done. So that's why I will often say, best thing to do when you're going somewhere, and that's what I do. I always use my cell connection with the GPS of the phone, but I always turn off the Wi-Fi. Like that, my phone is not actually being identified by any public network. No public network is seeing it. The only connectivity I have is with cell towers. Yes, that will give me location-based results also. Maybe not as accurate, and that's the thing, because that location-based result is not going to be, the Wi-Fi hotspot just across the street. It's going to be the closest cell tower sometimes. but there is not going to be any snooping and tracking of, and there's all sorts of statistics they can get out of that. How many times a week do you go to the same restaurant? How many times a week do you go to, downtown your city or to a specific street, a commercial avenue? It's pretty crazy what they're doing today with our signals and with what we have. So you don't intend to connect to a public Wi-Fi? Why not shut down that Wi-Fi when you're moving around with your smartphone? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.